How to remove green screen in Davinci Resolve 20. This is working for the free version, so let's get started by going into effects library, open effects highlighted and type 3D Keyer, grab it and leave it onto your media footage. Then select this drop down menu right here and select open effects overlay, make sure it's selected, then expand the inspector on the right side and make sure that invert is selected right here, and then you can draw over the background of your footage right onto your preview viewer and make sure you cover everything without leaving any white spots in the background, making it look solid black like this. Then you can release the mouse and then you will probably see some leftover green from the background, and you can fix that by increasing the decibel by your liking, just like that. And if that is not enough, you can go onto Mate and Finesse and expand the menu, and you can play around with the clean black and clean white. In my case, I'm increasing just a tiny bit the clean black, and that will do the work for me. I'm previewing the footage so you can see the final result, and I hope this video was helpful. You can also watch this one right here. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.